Okay, we're going to move on to arrays now, and this will be a standard array. Now, an array is just a collection of information. So assigning the variable, and then you can assign the array just like that, or you can assign it this way. So let's have just a collection of numbers. And you won't be able to echo an array as normal. So you can either print R, or you can do a var dump, which will just be the variable dump of R. I'm just going to close that one out, and this is array. There we go, and you can see it's an array, and each value 1, 2, 3, 4. These are assigned as integers.